Getting started with Moomoo is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. First, you need to download the Moomoo app from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once the app is downloaded, you can create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. After creating an account, you will need to verify your identity by providing some personal and financial information. This is a standard process for all investment apps and is required by law to ensure that users are who they claim to be. You will need to provide a valid government-issued ID, social security number, and proof of address. Once your account is verified, you can fund your account by transferring money from your bank account or other financial institution. You can do this by linking your bank account to your Moomoo account or by using a wire transfer. The minimum deposit required to open an account is $0, but you will need to deposit money into your account in order to start trading. After funding your account, you can start exploring the Moomoo platform and learning about the different features and tools that are available. The platform offers a wide range of investment products, including stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. You can also access real-time market data and news, as well as a variety of educational resources and trading tools. To start trading, you can use the Moomoo app to place orders and manage your portfolio. The app is user-friendly and easy to navigate, and you can access it from anywhere using your mobile device. You can also set up a watch list to track your favorite stocks and receive notifications when there are changes in the market. It is also important to note that Moomoo offers a paper trading feature that allows you to practice trading with virtual money before you start trading with real money. This is a great way to get a feel for the platform and to test your trading strategies without risking any real money. Overall, getting started with Moomoo is a simple and straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By following these steps and taking the time to learn about the platform and its features, you can start trading and investing with confidence.